And even as a medical professional, I have no idea what's true or what's not. I have no clue. I just happen to be on the intermittent fasting tip.
Yeah.
I
When you
had
say
some,
medical professional right now in real time, give me a quick summary of how you would describe yourself from a medical credential perspective. Go.
He wanted me to take a before picture, showing where I am. So I'm going to show you exactly what my body looks like at this time.
it's a sad story, but it's pretty simple.
Hey, we all have sad stories, so don't hold back. Mine too. I've shared
Yeah.
it openly. It's all good.
Yeah, I wasn't always this big. I always tended towards being on the heavy side, but I was, I played basketball. I played sports in high school.
As you can see, it's a lot of weight there. I've got to make a change, and Joey's going to help me to do that.
There's a lot of people out there on various levels facing the
Mhm.
same challenge.
Yeah,
So the more we could share, your road back to getting on track in life and everything else that it allows, the more people it's going to empower to realize they could do this too. Like if they're alive, they still have a shot,
that's right. That's
right?
right.
He's also asked me to share with you the meds that I'm taking. I take for blood pressure, amlodipine, and lisinopril. For my diabetes, I take glimepiride and metformin, and let's see. For my cholesterol, I take simvastatin. So there's nothing wrong with medications per se. They have helped me and helped me to achieve the healthy goals for all those numbers. But if I can get healthier on my own, I will need less of it, and that's a good thing.
Measure that. So I had no idea I was ballooning so far up. I thought I was just past it,
Yeah.
and before you knew it, I was way past it.
Yeah.
And then people started saying things, hey man, and I continued to eat at the same pace that I was eating before. So in a span of about, it didn't take very long for the ballooning to happen, especially because I wasn't measuring it. I wasn't checking my weight every day. And what ended up happening pretty quickly is that my training was as a surgery resident, medical doctor, kept me very busy. So at that time, I would hover around 230, 250 pounds, which for my height was still a lot, but I used to say, well, I'm a muscular guy, this and that. You know how you make up all kinds of excuses.
Yeah.
So I could wear it well, so it wasn't a big deal. Everything seemed to be fine. So then after I finished my training, I moved to Texas in '09, had a daughter in 2010, and my lifestyle became more sedentary. Instead of up and down all the time, I was pretty much sitting, but then it became like the most impossible thing in the world to take off. So like I said, in the span of maybe 3-4 years, I just went up. I really can't tell you how fast it was because it caught me off guard.
Mm.
And like I said, it wasn't until people started saying, hey, you're getting kind of big, you need to lose weight, that I realized it was out of control. I'm a MD, physician, doctor. I'm a general surgeon by practice or training.
Right.
And I've been a doctor since 1999, so 23 years, I guess.
Okay.
That's about it.
Yeah. Good, good. This is perfect because what you just described is what most people in the regular population are victims of as well. This overload of all kinds of information, and you don't know what to believe. You don't know what is true. You don't know what is helpful. You don't know what is healthy. You just don't know. And I
Yeah.
get it. Like, I look at this stuff because I've been kind of training myself to see what goes on in the mass population so I can help people better to understand that most of what we are seeing is BS. It's pure nonsense. Problem is, most average people don't think, well, that wouldn't be allowed to be shared or advertised if it was total BS and lies. The
Yeah.
truth is, yes, it is.
Yes.
Like, it just is. That's part of
Yeah.
the freedom of our society.
Yeah.
It's one of the reasons I call my podcast now the Fitness Truth Podcast, because
Yeah.
I've been put on this earth to share the truth. And
Yeah.
a lot of that goes against what most people are seeing out there.
Yeah.
So I commend you for realizing and understanding that you're a trained surgeon, you're a doctor, medical physician, etc. And you're even like thinking, what is all this stuff I'm seeing? What do I believe? What's real? How do I make sense of applying it to me? Right?
Yeah.
So well done on understanding that. And that's a breakthrough right there. So I'll share with you, most of it's garbage, most of it's nonsense, most of it's very misleading, deceiving, and not helpful at all. However, this thing about intermittent fasting is, in general, intermittent fasting, as most people understand it, is very true, good, and real. Okay, now we're not talking about a diet. We're not talking about what not to eat and what to eat, and this is the only way, this is not the way. You've got to eliminate these, you got to eliminate that. Fasting in general is just simply when we're not eating and when we do eat. That's all it is. It's not a diet. It's not labeled a keto name or a paleo name or a zero carb name. This is only about when we don't eat and when we do eat. That's it.
Okay.
And then we'll go from there. As the weeks progress, we'll fine tune things, we'll improve on things, we'll expand your menu to add on to what you already have. And then we'll go from there. Before you know it, you're going to be in the 360s, 350s, 340s, 330s. It's only a matter of time now because you're focused and you're ready and you've got the right guidance.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Joey.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. So when I'm in there doing that stuff, I'll know what to send you next in terms of what exercise training are we going to do after this foundational stuff is all good and okay.
Okay.
Sound good?
Thanks. Yeah, sounds great.
All right, my brother. I'm looking forward to your success story because it has begun.
Yes.
All right.
Definitely. Thank you.
All right, Antonio. Talk to you later. Peace.
Peace.
So stay tuned. Follow this channel. Appreciate it. This is Antonio saying goodbye until the next video.